how to change Gmail password on Android phone. Hey guys, welcome to our channel and let's get right into the video. So first, go ahead and open up your Gmail application and log into your account. Once you're logged in, tap on your profile at the top right corner right here and click on Manage Your Account button. Now once you've come up to this page, scroll along and tap on Security option. From here, scroll down and select Password. Now, if you remember your correct password, then simply enter your password and tap on Next. If not, you can click on Forgot Password just under it. Once Google confirms that the phone number that you currently have is associated with your Google account, it will give you the access. Now tap on Continue. And now from here, you can enter your new password. So enter your new password in your new password field. Enter your new password once again to confirm. And finally, tap on Change Password button. And that's it. With this, your Gmail password will be changed. So I really hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to us for more great content. Thanks for watching.